Alright, Anthony had $80 more than Bruce at first. After Anthony spent 80% of his money and Bruce spent 50% of his money, Bruce had $20 more than Anthony. Okay, so how do I start solving it? I think many children, when they see such a question, it may look simple, but at the same time, probably they are a bit lost in how they should solve it. Yeah, so here goes. We start off from the first sentence. Okay, so Anthony spent $80 more than Bruce. So we will draw something like this, like a two same size box. Okay, and then we have $80. Okay, so now Anthony spends 80% of his money. So what is 8 out of 10 or 80 out of 100? The simplest units that we can use is 8 out of 10. Probably you don't want to use like 4 out of 5, even though that you know that the simplest form of 80 over 100 is 4 out of 5. But it's pretty hard to picture it in the mind because 5, but again it's 10. I mean, how do you actually make sense out of it? Yeah, so I propose that you want to have 8 out of 10, so it's clearer. And then what's 8 out of 10 of 60 of 80 is $64, which is from here. Okay, now and Bruce spent half of it. So what is half of 10 units? So it will be here. That means it will be like 5 units spent here. Okay, so this is spent. Okay, so let me see what should we do next. Alright, so you have a complete model here. Again, in table form, you have 10U plus 80 at first, spent 8U from here and plus $64, and then left will be 10U minus 8U will be 2U, and 80 minus 64 will be 16. Yeah, so this one is actually $80 minus $64. Okay, now Bruce one is easier. At first you have 10U, half of it will be 5U, and then 5U left. Good. So now, how do we actually move on from here to solve the question? Again, there's something here. Yeah, in the end, Bruce had $20 more than Anthony. So we'll be looking at these 3 rows. So Anthony will have 2U plus 16, which is 2U plus $16, and then Bruce has 5 units. Okay, this one pretty straightforward, and then the difference is actually $20 here. Okay, so you can see that the difference is actually 3 units, which is 16 plus 20, which is here, and it's equals to $36. Yeah, again 1U, same thing. The milestone is to find the value of 1 unit, and then they want you to find how much money did Anthony have at first. So we have 10 units here, so it's 10U equals to 10 times $12, and then plus $80, and then the answer is $200.